Why is the 578 mic so heavy? It has a metal weight bolted inside. Is that tradition? Yes, it is. In fact, I don't think it's heavy enough. We sell the BCM series, and they're analog radios for the amateur radio. I've got a 220, a 440, and a 2 meter radio. And one of the things about the mic that it feels good in your hand. I mean, there's a lot of these other radios that have come out with these mics are just their quality is horrible, and they're light. They're all full of plastic, but they do put a weight in there to make it feel like the good old days. And it, gives a guy, that, feeling like there's something there. So it is probably tradition, but at the same time, if it, you could bang somebody on the head with, that's probably what the police used to do. If their gun ran out of bullets, they'd hit them over the head with the microphone. I don't know, but it's definitely, it makes it feel good in your hands. And I think that's like, you've actually got something there.